Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty, easy, neutral eye look with a pop of color on the lower lash line. I love doing looks like this because it just is a fun way to incorporate color. For this look, I used this palette right here, and this is the Crown Brush OMG palette. This is what the inside looks like. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about the palette, but I really do like it so far. This is the first time I used it, and I'm definitely going to do a full review on it in probably like a month or so, just so I can really use all the colors and all that stuff. But I like it so far, like I said. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, first I'm going in with this orange shade. It's the second shade in the palette, and I'm popping this in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. These shadows do not have names, so I'm going to describe them as best as I can. This shadow wasn't the most pigmented. I had to blend it out a couple of times. This is actually like the second time I put more color on the brush. Next, I'm going in with the orange shade and the brown shade next to it, and I'm just popping that in the crease. Now, these two shades blended together beautifully. As you can see, I love how they looked on the lid, or on my eye, and they're just really pretty. Like, they're two of the most perfect transition shades ever. Next, I'm going in with that champagne color, the first one, and I'm just putting this on the lid with my finger, and oh my god, this shade is so pigmented. The shimmer shades in this palette are really good. I've only used two so far, but I did swatch a couple other in my Yes Oh Yes unbagging when I got this palette, so check that out. It'll be linked down below if you want to see other swatches. Next, I am going back in with those two shades that I used for the crease, and I am just popping those on the outer V with a dome brush just to really bring everything together. I kind of wish I left the look here, but, you know, I took it a little farther, and now I'm blending everything out. And then I'm going to go in with that black shade there at the bottom. I do like that this palette has a black, and I'm taking an angled brush, and I'm just using this as an eyeliner. This brush, I did spray it with some Mario Badescu spray. I have been absolutely loving that trick to use a damp angled brush and an eyeshadow to use as an eyeliner. It is my favorite, and honestly my wings look so perfect this day. It was like the best I've ever gotten them in my whole entire 24 years of existence. Next, I'm going in with this NYX eyeliner. I don't know the name of it, but it will be linked down below, and I'm putting this in the waterline. I wish I didn't, because these eyeliners stink and they don't show up, but it matched what I was going with. Next, I'm going in with that really pretty like blue, green, turquoise shade. I don't know how to describe it. And I'm just running this along the lower lash line as my pop of color. I did have to go over it a couple of times to really get it to be like super vibrant and where I wanted it. So I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. And we're going to do lips now, and for lips I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. I love this gloss. I had it in my Project Pan video last year, and I didn't finish it because I realized I don't really gravitate towards glosses that much. And this is the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, reviews, hauls, and all that fun stuff. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box, or it's always on the screen. I don't know which side, but it's always on the screen too. My Instagram and Twitter, because that's where I'm the most active. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!